Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic is the Gandhian education. First of all, we are going to discuss the life sketch of Gandhiji. So, life sketch of Gandhiji. Life sketch of M.K. Gandhi. M.K. Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. 1869 to 1948. This is the birth date and this is the death date. Birth, date, death date. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Bapu, the father of our nation. The father of our nation. And the apostle of peace, truth, and non-violence. The father of our nation, apostle of peace, truth, and non-violence, Gandhiji, popularly known as Bapu. बापू, जो गांधी जी हैं, the father of our nation, apostle. Apostle means मसीहा थे, मुरीद थे, मानने वाले थे अमन के, यानी पीस के, सच्चाई के, and non-violence. Non-violence means अहिंसा. Non-violence means अहिंसा. And opposite of non-violence is हिंसा, दंगा फसाद, शोर शराबा, violence. लेकिन अगर गांधी जी प्रोटेस्ट भी करते थे in a peaceful way, non-violence, goodwill, love, charity. So महात्मा गांधी जी जो थे great personality, महात्मा गांधी, महात्मा means great personality, बड़ी हस्ती, was born on 2nd October 1869. Was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar. At Porbandar in the state of Kathaviyar, Gujarat. कहाँ पे? Kathaviyar, Gujarat. His father was the Prime Minister of Rajkot States. M.K. Gandhi, birth date 1969, 1948 is the death date. ये फादर ऑफ नेशन थे, पॉपुलरली नोन एज बापू, मानने वाले थे अमन के, सच्चाई के एंड नॉन वायलेंस. वाज बोर्न ऑन, ये चैंपियन कब, उनका जन्म कब हुआ? वाज बोर्न ऑन 2nd October 1869 at पोरबंदर in the state of Kathaviyar, Gujarat. His father was the Prime Minister of Rajkot States. Rajkot State. After passing his matriculation examination, जब गांधी जी ने अपना matriculation qualify किया, matriculation का qualify किया कब? In September 1887. After passing his matriculation examination in September 1887, he went to England. कहाँ गए? England. शाबाश. For studying law. And he remained there for the period of 3 years. How many years? 3 years. In 1893, he went to South Africa. South Africa, and he joined the people's struggle for achieving political right. इन्होंने वहां पे साउथ अफ्रीका में ज्वाइन किया, अपना हाथ दे दिया, अपना साथ दे दिया for achieving, हासिल करने के लिए, क्या हासिल करने के लिए? सियासी हक. And in 1914 he returned to India back. वापस आ गए अपने नेटिव लैंड में, इंडिया में, जहां पे इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया पीपल्स स्ट्रगल ऑफ इंडिया, जद्दोजहद आजादी में. People's struggle of India, under which party? Under the Indian National Congress. I will repeat once again. In 1893 he went to South Africa, जहाँ पे उन्होंने join किया People's Struggle for Achieving Political Rights. In 1914 he returned to India back, while he joined the People's Struggle of India for people under Indian National Congress. जो गांधी जी थे, गांधी जी इन्हीं का सुनहरी दौर था. It was the golden leadership of Mr. Gandhi. It was the golden leadership of Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi, जब हिंदुस्तान ने आजादी हासिल कर दी. इंडियन गॉट इंडिपेंडेंस ऑन 15th August. कब? 15th August 1947. And the champion of peace, truth and non-violence was silenced forever in 30th January. January 1948. 1948. I will repeat it once again. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of nation, popularly known as Bapu, was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in the state of Kathiawar, Gujarat. His father was a Prime Minister of Rajkot state. Mahatma Gandhi, popularly known as Bapu, apostle of peace, truth and non-violence. He qualifies his matriculation in 1887 and he went to England for studying law. So, the champion of peace, truth and non-violence was silenced forever in 30th January 1948. Hind Swaraj and my experiments with truth are his famous works. Hind Swaraj and my experiments with truth और his famous works और his famous. इन्होंने लिखा, अपनी किताबें भी लिखी है. क्या क्या? हिंद स्वराज और my experiments with truth और his famous works. Thanks.